going to be training for the first-time home buyer. Even though this is your first home, I am a firm believer in treating your first home as a real estate investment. Your home could be the largest purchase that you'll make, so I want to make sure that we get it right for you. This is going to be a training sessions of 5 to 10 minutes in this series, and it's going to take you through the process of purchasing a home. Hi, I'm Frances Bocksch, PA with Keller Realty, Palm Beach Central. I'm a sales associate, a graduate of the Real Estate Institute, a certified distressed property expert, a realtor with Keller Realty, Palm Beach Central. I am native to Palm Beach County, and some of this information is going to be exclusive to Palm Beach County. Your first step in the home buying process is to get yourself pre-approved. I want to, at this time, introduce you to Miguel Muniz with PNC Mortgage. Hi, Miguel.
Hi, Francis. How are you?
I'm doing good. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
My name is Miguel Muniz. I am a mortgage loan originator, and I'm also a supervisor with PNC Bank. I have been in the originating business for over 15 years. I've had the opportunity of owning my own company, and now I'm with one of the largest banking institutions and lending institutions in the U.S.
Okay. What is the difference becoming pre-approved to pre-qualified?
Great question, and very important to know the difference. Pre-qualification simply is a loan officer and a borrower dialoguing on strictly how much they make, how much they have in the bank, and there may even be some credit pulling. In no way is the information validated. So you'll find that a loan officer may give you a pre-qual letter, and sometimes realtors may give a little pushback because of that word pre-qual. By pre-approving a borrower, we strictly go into viewing the information. I'm going to collect documentation up front, W-2s, pay stub, income sources, as well as down payment information. Where's the money coming from? And I'm going to ask to validate it. So by issuing a pre-approval letter, it's going to make you a stronger asset, and it's going to make your offers come through a little bit stronger, and your realtor will know confidently that you have the ability to buy a home.
Exactly. And I know myself as a real estate agent, I always want to submit with an offer the pre-approval letter, not a pre-qual letter. So it's very important that you get pre-approved. What is a first-time home buyer?
Great question. First-time home buyer, by true definition, is somebody who's never owned a home. However, in certain programs and certain lending, such as some county subsidy programs, which I'll go into more, a first-time home buyer can be defined as somebody who hasn't owned a home within the past 4 years.
Excellent, excellent. And which means if you have owned a home and you sold it, but you've been maybe renting for the last couple of years, after 4 years, you can qualify for being a first-time home buyer.
Correct.
What is the what are let's go over the programs that are out there for first-time home buyers.
Programs, there's a ton of programs out there in today's market for first-time home buyers. In fact, the majority of the transactions I'm seeing now in our environment of first-time home buyers, you have, I'd have to say the most popular lending option is FHA, which is a great tool for limited down payment. You could own a home for as little as 3.5%. Fannie Mae has some great options as well. Some options as well, down to 3%, 5%. HomePath, which is for Fannie Mae owned REOs. Basically, the bank has taken it back, but Fannie Mae specific homes as well is a great program.
And Fannie Mae, they don't require them to do an appraisal, correct?
Correct. On a HomePath property, Fannie Mae will actually go off of a bona fide offer, and PNC, who is a HomePath originator, because not all lenders can do HomePath, can actually facilitate the transaction without an appraisal.
Okay, and then, so that's Fannie Mae, and then also they don't require PMI insurance. Is that correct?
On the HomePath specific program, yes. It's no mine. And that's a lot of borrowers. In today's environment, you have to understand that mortgage insurance in general for Fannie Mae is a separate third party. So Fannie Mae may qualify a borrower to put down 3%, but that private mortgage insurance institution may turn them down. So that's kind of the reasons why some borrowers go with FHA rather than Fannie Mae, or with a home path property rather than the specific Fannie Mae program. So each program is great for its own person. So what we do is go through each one and find out which one is the best fit.
Okay. And also with FHA is not necessarily for just first-time home buyers. It can also be for your primary home. So.
Absolutely. Years ago, FHA was a little bit more, I'd say, property sensitive, had to be very specific. FHA has recently loosened up the parameters, making it easier for homeowners to purchase a variety of properties rather than just be limited. And the great thing about FHA is it's not score driven. Fannie Mae is a score driven product.
Okay, that's very good to know. Very good to know for the first time home buyer to know as we're educating in this. And then the reason why I've chosen for you to speak with Miguel Muniz today is also because he is with a bank and they offer several different programs available that not all mortgage places can provide, particularly when it comes to like the home grants and the home programs. Correct?
Correct. There's some subsidy programs out there. And I wouldn't necessarily say some banks don't offer them, because subsidy programs such as counties, programs such as NSP2, which is National or Neighborhood Stabilization Program, or HOME, the Federal Home Program, certain people are not, certain loan officers don't want to get into the education and the training involved, because there are some.
And even real estate agents don't want to get involved with them.
Correct. But I find that it's our duty to offer the programs and to educate the communities on the funds that are out there. I mean, there's billions of dollars out there that some homeowners or some potential homeowners aren't aware of. So we work closely with them.
Okay. And you offer first-time homebuyer classes and education, do you not?
Correct. We have actually a whole bunch of material which we give out for first-time home buyers. One thing in which I personally and our team does closely is we work with nonprofits out in the community. And in order for a borrower or a first-time home buyer to take advantage of certain grants with the county or federal home dollars, there needs to be a home buyer's course. And it's pretty much a 8-hour course in which it's going to go through pretty much from top to bottom of the whole home buying process. And it also goes into after you own the home. So I highly recommend going through these homeowner courses either way, whether they need it or not.
This is going to give you information, these videos, but the home buyers class that he's talking about is just, I highly recommend it as well. And is there a fee for that class?
It depends. These fees are done by certain nonprofits. Some nonprofits can have a fee, but if there is a fee, it may be as much as $25 on a high side. And they provide lunch, they provide snacks. So it's pretty much, because they're nonprofits, to facilitate the courses, they need to charge some funds.
Okay, well, I appreciate the information. Thanks, Miguel.
Thank you.
And I want to thank you for watching this video. I don't want to make these long. I'm making them short so I can keep your interest in coming back. I hope to have another video out in a week. If you have any questions, I'm Frances Bocksch with Keller Williams Realty, 561-352-4156. And also you can go to www.afloridaproperty.com to get more information. And Miguel, do you have an email or phone number where they can contact you?
Yes, I do. My phone number, which you can contact me at, my cell phone is 561-644-1933. Or email is great. My email is Miguel, Miguel, .muniz at pncmortgage.com.
And we thank you very much for watching this, and we will see you soon. Thank you.